thanks for noticing.
Press record and sit here. Hiya, yep, hi. Dear me. Hello and welcome to the driver lesson. My hair looks ridiculous. Oh, my seatbelt just strangled me. Oh, that was gonna be a nice shake. You're probably gonna fall out about 200 times. To be exact, we're on our way to college. Lucy stayed at mine last night.
It's Pancake Day, happy Shrove Tuesday, everyone.
Everyone tell us what you're giving up for Lent.
We're giving up generally.
Just giving up.
Yeah, just
what
in a
did I
general
say I was
sense.
giving up though? Pancakes.
Yeah,
But that was
kind of
a funny
useless.
joke. It's really cold in here.
It's freezing actually.
Oh, there's a nice Jaguar there.
I don't actually know what I'm giving up.
Everyone let us know what you're giving
I've
up.
not really got anything to give up because that was my New Year's resolution.
I'm gonna give up driving so much because it's costing a lot of money. Oh Jesus! I'm not sure how
This is
well
gonna
this
make
is gonna
everyone
turn
so
out.
seasick.
Sorry if you get a bit travel sick. I'll just try and drive a bit smoother, but blame the
roads that we're
potholes
on
are not great.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
We were gonna do a Q&A, but no one really asked.
Yeah, we got like 3 questions. We could answer those.
Okay, well, one of the questions was, what would you do if you won the lottery, which is £50 million?
I wouldn't tell anyone because you'd get robbed. I'd subtly give people money, like I'd leave money in like people's bags or something.
What?
So then they just think they're really lucky.
Not sure.
I'd take everyone on like a massive trip.
Good.
I say everyone. I've got like 4 friends. My mum could come.
Be a great trip then.
Yeah.
Well, I would invest my money in land.
I'd invest some of it, like 50 million. But we know what I'm like. Like, how many meal deals can you get with 50 mil?
Well, the meal deal's £3, isn't it?
I'll do the math.
I would buy houses in London, and then I'd buy a house in the Maldives. Would I? Maybe I wouldn't.
I could buy 16.6 million meal deals. I could end world hunger.
No, I don't think you could.
For like
Somebody's
a day,
definitely
for
got
like
50,
one meal.
Yeah, I was gonna say, somebody's definitely got £50 million and not ended world hunger yet.
I'd probably just have like a really bougie Christmas.
Like just one Christmas.
I'd fuck it all in 1 year.
No.
You're gonna have to bleep that out.
Lucy's not very clever with her money spending.
I'm really bad. Like I could honestly, I think I could spend $1 million in a week.
Yeah, we've had this conversation, and you probably could.
Yeah.
Which is dangerous.
That's not good.
No, it's not good.
But if it was there, that'd be great.
It would be lovely to have £50 million. But
We'll leave our PayPals in the description.
we won't, because we're not allowed them until we're 18, so we technically don't have PayPals.
I do. Oh,
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have them.
I'll leave my mum's PayPal.
Is there a red dot?
Yes, it's recording now. This is very dangerous. I'm really quite scared.
But it's hot in here. We made it off the motorway. I'm not sure what was recording. I think it stopped recording. I don't even know if it's recording still now because Lucy's not a YouTuber.
I'm not. I'm learning.
But yeah.
Got a message yesterday saying, because everyone knew we were going to do the drive with me, saying that I need to work on my YouTube skills.
But then, don't we all? Basically it stopped recording and we didn't know because we couldn't see the screen because this is the contraption which is literally a phone like holder, and we've made it to IKEA.
Yeah, so we left early for college, so we've got 2 hours until our first lesson.
So
now we're at IKEA.
To get to college, every time when we leave mine we have to drive past IKEA, and this is a new IKEA in Exeter. New, it's actually not anymore.
It's not really new at all.
But Lucy and I haven't been here, so
I always say when we drive past it, oh, can we go to IKEA?
yeah, and I'm always like,
there's
no.
always a reason why we can't.
But it's 11:30
today,
at the moment.
there is no reason.
Okay, so we've literally just got in and Lucy and I have found...
what we've always spoken
Shut
about
this.
for our house.
Yeah, literally. We have found our dream apartment.
Always honestly spoken about.
I actually wouldn't be too mad if it was this size either. It's not even that, like, it's cozy. Like, look at this sofa, beautiful grey sofa.
I bet it's
Look at that mirror. How much is that? That's not even bad. £75 for that mirror. Oh, that scared me. Oh my god, I really like this place. Jesus Christ, what are we doing? Yoga mat? Right. Well, that was a fun... Why are we walking down the trolley escalator? Woo! That was a fun IKEA trip.
got some chocolate.
And that's all we came out with. They had no tripods. Didn't think they would.
Gotten that chair.
It's actually kind of cold out here. Now we're actually gonna go to college now.
Right. We're gonna go to Primark first though, because we're capable of just going to college.
Yeah.
Where do we go?
That's what I was about to say. Mission find my car. It's over here, it's over here, it's over here. Oh my god, guys. I can drive out. I went over the line, but I can drive out quickly, get in the car. Right, we made it out of IKEA with chocolate, and that's it. Now it's 12:10.
We were literally only there for like half an hour.
Yeah, that was rather.
That was actually a very short.
Only
No,
because
it's such a small IKEA when you're actually in it.
yeah, it's not actually that big.
That is so not worth it.
How do I get out of here? To the right?
Yeah. God, I'm good. Yeah. So let's try IKEA. Let's just bear in mind when we're moving out, maybe go to a bigger one.
No, I think we could have sufficed our room's needs. In that, yeah. Anyway, now we're gonna actually go to college. We still don't start for another
Hour and a bit.
yeah.
By the time we get there, we'll probably have like an hour.
Yeah. But we're both in search of a black. Well, I'm in search for a black puffer jacket.
I'm just in search for a black jacket.
It needs to be cropped.
It needs to be
please.
cropped because I don't like jackets that go like past your bum.
I do, but I just need
I find
a
them
black,
quite uncomfortable.
versatile coat. You know. I'm gonna try and remember how to actually get back onto the road that we want. Some indication would be nice. That is a rant that I'm gonna have. No one bloody indicates.
I have to hear this one out one more time.
It's ridiculous though.
But like whenever I'm in the car with you, I'm just not gonna indicate. Just
Well, you
to-
better.
just to be sure.
It's dangerous.
Like my driving is gonna be safe.
It will be. It's warm here. Where did my sunglasses go?
You probably put them in
Oh,
your
I
bag.
put them in my bag, you're right. I think we want to go this way.
Ah, that's okay.
Looks about right. That's the green light.
Yes,
Yeah, the city centre.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, I am too.
And I literally went to bed at like what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah, she was a bit boring last night.
I was so tired because I just didn't sleep this weekend.
We had a power cut.
We
And
did
then
indeed.
turns out
Turned out
powered
the
back
power
on
cut
and we
really
just
didn't
didn't
last
turn
that
the
long.
lights on.
We were just sat in the dark with candles lit so you can buy off for no reason.
Mummy.
Option.
Red line. Yeah, that's where the farm is down there. It's probably my dad. Oh no, we don't have a.
We don't have a tractor.
We do. We don't have a massive. We have a new Holland.
I'll pretend I know what any of that means.
We have a blue tractor, not a red tractor.
Wait, are different types of tractors different colours?
They are like famous for their different colours.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, you learned something.
Well,
new
not
today.
famous, but that, you know, they are known. Not famous. That's their branding. Yeah, it's like McDonald's branding is red and yellow. Maybe.
Oh, we're going.
Oh my god, we're going, guys. Can you point it up?
Like that?
The actual tripod rather than the camera.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try and point it my side a little bit. He's cute.
Oh, I missed it.
Guess what?
The boy.
He was old, don't worry. Not old.
Do I not like older
no,
men?
as in he was probably like...
Everyone makes fun of me because I've got
25.
such a thing for like old men. Like Liam Neeson.
Yeah, we already knew that. If you haven't watched the New York vlog already, then...
If you haven't watched the New York vlog, you're missing out really,
You are.
Hans.
Huns. I can't believe I'm friends with someone that says Huns.
Can't believe I'm friends with someone that
police on. No, is this legal?
He doesn't look like he's bothered.
Why
He doesn't look like he's awake.
Where should we park?
I don't know, maths and science.
Should we try and look in St David's? No, who are we kidding? We'll never get spotted. How many college kids can we know? Look, I think we might turn this off now because it's a bit embarrassing. So we'll end it later.
Yes, if we see someone we know.
We're about to see all the college lot and it's just a bit awkward.
Literally just seen someone I know.
See ya. See ya. Focus on me, not her.
And me.
We found a car parking space.
Took us a while, it's quite busy.
We have to go pay for parking. It's my least favourite thing because it's spending money.
It's funny
because I love
spending money.
Hi guys, just thought I'd do another one of little Lucy's secret messages for Linda. I don't really know what I plan on, she can see me. I'm gonna put it down. Alright, bye guys, love you. She's gone again, so I just wanted to say, love you Linda. I hope you have a nice day. I hope she doesn't leave this in.